Designing a long-scrolling Behance presentation is an effective way to showcase your project in a visually engaging format. Here's how to create one. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and logging into your account. Click on Create a Project to begin. Plan your layout. Sketch a rough layout of your presentation. Decide how you want to structure the flow, including sections for an introduction, project details, design process, final outcomes, and reflections. Use high-quality visuals. Upload high-resolution images, videos, or GIFs that represent each phase of your project. Ensure your visuals are clear and engaging to capture the viewer's attention. Incorporate text. Add descriptive text to provide context for your visuals. Use headings and subheadings to break up content and make it easy to read. Utilize white space. Ensure your design isn't cluttered. Use white space effectively to separate sections and make the presentation more digestible. Add interactive elements. If applicable, consider adding interactive elements like links to prototypes or related projects. Publish and share. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your presentation live. Share it on social media to reach a wider audience.